Hey, hello. I'm Devang. As a business owner, I have set up a web widget over here, which is a Tiledesk. And what I want and what is my reason behind it is I want my prospect or customers who are going through my website, I want them to be provided with good information about what my product or services are. In my case, the service. In your case, it might be, if it is a product oriented, then the product related questions, the features you are offering as a service, the features my service is offering. So I want them to be answered and fulfilled. The concerns, the queries they are raising, I want them to be fulfilled directly from here without manual intervention from my team sides or my side, because I want this to be available 24 by 7. So that is what I'm doing it over here. How I have done it through Tiledesk, there are multiple videos I have created. I'm going to add the link in the description. If you like, you may go through to them. But it is there right now. Okay. So now it's handled by AI agent, obviously. So I have some information entered related to my product or my services, which is knowledge base. I have enriched the knowledge based in the Tiledesk so that my AI agent is having information about my services, how it works, what kind of offerings with it. So whenever the prospect is asking the questions, the system is answering. Let's create start the conversation. Okay, now I have some questions which I as a prospect wants to raise to system, which is this. Let's say they are a multi-speciality hospital and they are asking that, is Let Them Connect also offering the media creations related services like image or video. Then because this kind of questions are not meant to be answered, because it's not there in the knowledge base. So as per the flow, Karen AI agent is transferring this communication to human agent. And now first thing, let's get this clear. Now it is assigned, whenever it is assigned to the human agent. Let's see here, it is the human agent. Here is the human agent. So now it is transferred to the human agent. So whenever it is transferred, the prospect will not know at all. They just, if you want as a business to let them know that it is now transferred to the human agent, this is the message I in the flow have as added. If you don't want, then you can avoid it as well. So here all the information, previous communication is there. So human agent is can just write that we are going through, I am, let's, why not, I am going through your chat, give me a minute please. Okay, so this is what the uh, the AI agent has written over here. Now now let's say I have also a ready response of the questions what they are expecting. So let's say why this has happened, why, because knowledge base didn't know, right? So now this is the answer. Okay, suppose this is the answer, in my case it is the answer. So now let's say I am telling that currently Let Them Connect mainly focuses on helping business manage customer or patients communication on WhatsApp. So engagement workflow and WhatsApp campaigns, we usually do not create brochures, videos or branding creative. So this is my response. So now obviously I don't want my human agents to be answering this same questions. And this is the obvious reason why I have started using Tiledesk. And I again don't want every small thing to be added manually into the knowledge base. So if this is that thing, then I then Tiledesk should be able to help me to put this thing into the knowledge base, so that my this kind of small conversations, small questions, or in a way that my human agents are keep involving themselves, keep engaging over here, and again I need to be only free my human agent if I add that information in knowledge base manually. But they have provided this template, self learning AI agent. So I have used this template, and I have created a webhook to avoid that. Okay, what it will avoid is, again I'm clearing, here are the unanswered question. You see, these are, we are the multi-specialty hospital, just now they have logged the question. Okay, that question, why it is in unanswered section? Because it was not answered by the AI agent, because it is not having that data into it available. Now we are creating something which is going to give one more knowledge to the knowledge base, add that knowledge into the knowledge base automatically, so that in the next time it will be answered through knowledge base, and human agent will be avoided one for one more point. And that is how we'll be able to do that. Is I have created from automation, under the flows from automation, I have created a webhook, and whatever the detail they have provided over here, I have replicated it, and I have created a webhook. Okay, so here that flow, self learning flow, is available. What this is doing is, whenever system is asking the question, this webhook, whenever the system, or sorry, whenever the prospect or customer asking the question which knowledge base is not able to answer, in that case, whenever the human agent answers it and resolve the conversation, at that time this webhook will be called. How that can be done, they have provided all the information over there. And actually, if I give you that as well, then it can be done from project settings, from the settings under the developer manage webhook. Here I have created that webhook. This is that webhook. Okay, so what this is doing is, it is automatically called when the request is closed, meaning when the request is resolved. So whenever the request is resolved, this webhook will be called automatically by the system. What this will do is, this patch will do that whatever the conversation has happened in that chat window where human agent was involved and resolve the conversation, so this part is actually of their more than pro version, so it's not seen over here. But what it is doing is, it is removing all the noise and just get all the information which is between customer and the human agent. And because of that, the conversation was resolved. That information is fetched using this patch. So now it is that information is routed to the AI and got the title of that conversation and the chunk and the main information which has helped that questions to be resolved. So that everything is fetched once again, check into the knowledge base that whether it is available or not, and if it is not, then it is added. So there are activity, or I was saying element is available, is ask knowledge base, add to knowledge base. So first I have asked that whether it was there in the knowledge base or not. If it is not, then I have added that information into the knowledge base. So let's do that. So let's again do that. Right now, let me show you what is there in my knowledge base. Right now, this information is there, which is not enough, by the way. So now this has responded by the human agent. So let's say they are saying that, okay, we will get back. Okay, so this has happened, and now the human agent is resolving this conversation. Okay, they'll get back. So now they are resolving uh, this. Okay, are you sure you want to resolve? Okay, it's resolved, right? So now if you go back and check into the knowledge base and refresh the page, you see guidance on media creation for WhatsApp. So here it is. So here one of the knowledge base is important. So as we have discussed, as I have shared to you, that now whenever this kind of questions will be asked, then the flow first will check into the knowledge base, and those questions will under answered sections and not in unanswered section. And I as a business will will have more human available for the questions which are not resolved uh, before, new questions, not repeat questions. So they are providing self learning AI agent. How? Because you have seen it. So this is how self learning AI agent can be implemented in the Tiledesk. So I find it impressive, so that I as a business will have less involvement of my human power for such repetitive activities. So for this video, thanks.